3, 2, 1.
Tolkien invented several artificial languages for the characters of his books. What was the name of the Elvish language, based on Greek, Finnish, and Latin? The answer is B. Quenya. Where was the failed attack on the Cuban army, led by Fidel Castro in 1953? The answer is C. Moncada Barracks. By what year had Arsenal become a limited company? The answer is B. 1893. Where might we be that we can look at the kids? The answer is A. We might be at a park. When did the Allies invade South Africa? The answer is B. 1942. Make breakfast sandwich. How would you do this? The answer is A. Add to toast. How many beer houses opened their doors in the inaugural year of the Beer Act? The answer is C. 400. What year was the RSFSW NOR recognized as an independent state? The answer is B. 1920. Which of the following Harry Potter characters did not destroy a Horcrux? The answer is C. Sirius. When did the Canadian theme area in the Hanover Zoo open? The answer is B. 2010. In which year did the Korean War break out? The answer is B. 1950. What may be the reason why they were so scared? The answer is D. It was their son's first day of school. How do you scrap metal? How would you do this? The answer is A. Throw it away. What is the maximum number of match points that can be held at one time in a tennis match at Wimbledon? The answer is A. 6. What is the science of how living things interact with each other and their environment? The answer is C. Ecology. Who are Mass's crushes in the Clique series of books? The answer is B. Chris, Landon, Darrington, Cam. What season of the Power Rangers series is titled Power Rangers: Time Force? The answer is A. 9. For his performance in what movie did Bruce Willis receive his first Golden Globe nomination? The answer is C. In Country. What organizational tool, arguably the best in all of science, lists all the known chemical elements, arranged by atomic number? The answer is B. Periodic table. What spell is used in the Harry Potter series to make something swell in size? The answer is C. Engorguo. Increase energy at night. How would you do this? The answer is A. Eat a bowl of cereal. How do you stay above water in the ocean? How would you do this? The answer is A. Go on a boat. In which form is most of the energy released from gasoline when burned by an automobile? The answer is A. Heat energy. What type of event did the narrator attend? The answer is C. They went to a concert. How many images could photo CDs initially contain?
The answer is A. 100.
Which of the 3 astronauts of the Apollo 11 spaceflight did not walk on the moon? The answer is A. Michael Collins. How many scripts does UCS cover? The answer is B. 129. When was the first Pioneer space probe launched? The answer is C. 1958. Why is the narrator stumbling around? The answer is A. They are liquored up. A dog is in a tub, being sprayed with soap before being rubbed down, and finally, rinse clean. A closing image. What happens next? The answer is B. Shows additional information about the wash. What celestial bodies are classified by color and temperature, ranging from blue to red and hottest to coolest? The answer is D. Stars. After how many years' marriage do you celebrate your emerald anniversary? The answer is B. 55. What may have happened after the restart button was pushed? The answer is B. The system would restart. What are the 2 most common causes of diseases? The answer is B. Bacteria and viruses. Who led the revolt against England in 1088 to take the throne from William Roman II of England? The answer is D. Odo of Bayeux. What may be the reason our little man reacted like that? The answer is A. He does not like to share. Colloids are used industrially as what? The answer is C. Catalysts. What is the number of members of the Senate for each U.S. state? The answer is B. 2. How do you invite someone somewhere? How would you do this? The answer is A. Tell them where you're going. Olinda is a historic city in which Brazilian state? The answer is A. Pernambuco. One wants a good external holder for a beaded bracelet. How would you do this? The answer is A. One should use string. To remove rust from metal, how would you do this? The answer is A. Soak it in WD-40. What state is the narrator most likely traveling to? The answer is A. Oklahoma. What year did NBC Universal take over Sprouts? The answer is D. 2014. The Premier League has played in 75,957 stadiums since which year? The answer is D. 1992. Why would the narrator even notice such a small creature? The answer is D. The narrator has trouble sleeping. Why did the narrator enjoy the dentist so much? The answer is B. They got some free gear. The finance minister of Austria predicted that if the country kept its large army mobilized, the national treasury would be bankrupt by the middle of what year? The answer is C. 1809. What does the narrator view as a positive of the USA? The answer is D. The wide array of people. Why was I at a wedding last night?